Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody is doing a stitch, like a stowing stitch, and they want to be able to change the line after they've done it and change the line dramatically and have the stitches realigned. I don't believe in object to path there's any way to do that. Object to path does do a pretty good job. You know, you can see that the stitches aren't 100% aligned. My only suggestion would be able to use the blend tool. So make 2 copies of the stitch, select them both, go up to effects and blend. I just picked the number 45. I'm going to go blend. I'm going to go here, blend along new path. And then I'm going to blend along full path and rotate all objects. And it does a really good job. You know, they're off a little bit just like the other one because we're curving them. But the good thing with this, that you can take your shape tool and actually change the curve, the line itself. You know, you can't go too far. You're going to get your stitches way off, but you can do quite a bit with it. You know, this is a good thing even, you know, if your stitches are not quite touching, you know, you could actually bring them in or bring them down or make them shorter, but you could definitely change your stitch pattern or your line, which I do not. I tried it. I don't know a way you could do it in, I love object to path, but in this case, it just doesn't work. Anyway, I hope that answered his question. Thank you for watching.